Check if we can do clan race in a second.
You
Yo, me
have
a
two
queue.
up front.
Yeah, me a
Listen,
queue.
man.
We get a
No, I have one, but I got two from rank, but I didn't store it. I just went back to rank.
Don't let me
If
catch you
you
in my
drop
lobby,
one,
kid.
if you
Okay,
get a
don't let me
hot
catch
frag
you in my
and
lobby,
dead, you
kid.
can drop it.
Yes, if you get a skill box
Alright.
and die, you can drop it as well.
Alright, me not know hot frag.
Mm-mm. There's a whole bank for a reason.
I did not know that.
Oh my. This game. I might as well
Now,
just
Kit
turn
is so
off
cool. The only thing he does is floor passes into meteors. Too cool.
Phantom. My heart keep is weaking, brother. They did their spirit in the man place and I'm quick and in our
He fell for the second time, bro. These Epsilon players are brain dead.
Where side don't want it to work. So I just take damage.
Yo, them slap it.
Cringe. These 8 working. 11 losses, 3 wins. Jesus.
Who that?
It's weekend, buddy. You don't know what I've been through. You don't know what I've been through.
Awesome.
This nigga said, let me win you one enough. You don't know what I've been through, though, bro.
Bro, I'm on 2 bars because of one. How could I come up? I need to start clutching up. Guess not.
Mind. That's saves me.
I'm dead.
Central booming is taking us.
You must be.
Nice.
Making clan race drop more anyway.
Hakada is so unfair.
But he should.
Them man I get them body quench out by over. Now when they get grip, him pulling.
Okay, okay. Use it now, use it again. Use it. Click on the thing, kid. You took too long.
I got another skill box.
I know, kid, I'm not blind.
Steven, I got you right now. You got this, kid. Run. Bro does not got this. Wait. You got it, man. 5 bars. I am nothing. I don't engage.
Bro, I can't come out of the moon.
fighting me.
Can't come out of the moon. Oh, it's that whip me up, fuck.
Bro, how do I fight against Dita? The man gone invisible. What?
Is that you who clip that now?
Yeah.
Not Quincy hat. And in a all white.
Get red eyes then.
The cheap block fire. Believe in you, kid. He's that easy, kid. See, kid. Listen to the Steven Universe going on. Very, very cool.
Who's kill that? What kill is that?
Come on, that look cool.
Get you violent.
What you call it?
Trying to get used to my skill box.
Is that you? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. Is that Kendo's skill?
yeah. It's free damage.
Really? What's the nominal for parade?
Look at this block, kid. It's not a big deal. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, but by the way, Jared, when they hit the last one, they can do a follow-up, like kick you in the sky. So it's a combo ender there. But when you go down, like, try not to get hit when you go back down.
You know, overcome slash.
Go Kendo and use it, no?
You and is it 100k euro
I
for
mean,
some
it's up to you. Kendo kind
No, well, yeah, it's pretty close to that. Pretty close to that. I
Hey,
think.
come on.
It's that or a bit more.
I'm close. I'm
okay.
close to my master. Brad Doge sees me in his one bro's gonna cry his eyes out.
Phantom, what?
Wait, what's
How much elo do you have, Phantom? How much elo do you have?
91k.
Phantom. Oh, okay, 91k.
Just 9 more wins
9 more wins for what?
for him to get to 100k.
Not up on the leaderboard there, no, brother.
For
The
what?
amount of people my grip out.
Nice.
Nice.
Rank they don't count. Why are you saying positive they count there?
Say them out of the finger.
Are you
Better
lower?
please me a video.
Are you lower master yet?
Oh no, not yet. Come on.
Did you
The most I want to become is
Huh?
Did you use the true hog?
No. I don't have anything to use it on.
You know what?
Who's turn day? I need to be some bounce.
Almost that goal too.
Where's move out the way? I got this.
That going board. What's that going?
Yo, don't kill me.
I need
Yo, don't kill me.
even I need it.
You found him.
Wait, when did they get that skill bug?
I feel like that guy should have come in.
Don't let them get a kill. Don't let them. Murder, why are you so low?
I need one hit.
Go away, Gernu.
He's dead.
Go over
Steven,
there.
let me one.
Go over
Let
there.
me one. Pop, legs. Oh, it's cool down. Oops, I forgot.
We won already.
GG.
Easy.